This is an apart hotel development in Slovenia, in the Bled area. Slovenia is nestled between Italy and Austria and Croatia. It's a jewel of a country, and it's a bit of an opportunity for hotel and tourism development. I'm Alan Edwards. I'm the CEO of Alpus Group. I know Slovenia very well. I've got residence there, and I've been in Slovenia for about 10 years now with a small company and different properties. So the Lake Bled area is the most popular area in Slovenia, along with Bohinj, which is an adjacent tourism area. It attracts people from all over the globe, and it's got stunning landscapes and a thriving cultural scene. Lake Bled is at the centre of this cultural scene, and it's where everyone goes to see the best of Slovenia. It's got a resilient economy in the area of Lake Bled and Kranjska Gora, the whole Gorje region, and that is quite near to Brnik Airport and Ljubljana, the capital city. So this is an exceptional investment opportunity because there are breathtaking natural landscapes. There's year-round tourism attraction. There's also skiing in Slovenia as well. Pokluka ski resort is quite near to Lake Bled. It's got unmatched recreational activities. It's great for hiking and also for walking. You can swim in Lake Bled as well as they do rowing there as well. And it's got a rich cultural heritage. Slovenia was part of the Austro-Hungarian Empire previously, and then part of Yugoslavia, and it's made great strides since it got independence in 1991. So apart hotel development, vision and design. Our vision is to create a unique apart hotel that seamlessly integrates with the stunning environment of Lake Bled, enhancing the overall appeal and experience for guests. We aim to make it a sustainable design. We prioritise sustainable practices in our development process, incorporating eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient systems to minimise our carbon footprint and promote environmental stewardship. The apart hotel will offer luxurious amenities, including a spa, gourmet restaurant and outdoor activities. These may be associated activities to start with, because what we want to do is grow the footprint of the centre, and we've got a plan for doing this. We've got a potential site with a potential adjacent heritage building, which would enable us to expand the spa and also expand the accommodation as well. And it's all within 500 metres or so of Lake Bled. So to give you some views about Lake Bled, it's got a fairy tale castle overlooking Lake Bled, and it's also